lovelies, it's Odette here, and Happy New Year to all of you guys. Happy New Year. I hope you guys are all doing well. I wish nothing but love and success and happiness and joy for all of you guys who are watching, and I do hope all of your dreams are going to come true this year with the help of God. And I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. I always appreciate it when you guys watch my videos. Thank you so much. In today's video, I have this very simple makeup look for you guys. I kept it really simple, and I used some new things in this video, and they are going to be listed in the description box for you guys. I went back to this lipstick. You guys are going to see this at the end of the video, and I do want you guys to enjoy watching this video today. This makeup is very simple for older women, mature women, middle-aged women, whatever you are in between. You can enjoy this makeup look. Again, everything that I use on my face is going to be listed below for you guys, and I do hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you next time. Toodles! Okay, my lovelies, here we are with the finished look of the makeup. I got dressed. Okay, I was wearing a tank top because I didn't want to get any makeup on my jacket, and of course I am wearing my favorite piece of jewelry. You guys know this is my favorite piece. It is so versatile. It can go with just about any outfit. And these beautiful gorgeous earrings, these are from Sean's boutique. I am not quite sure if her boutique is still open. She also has a YouTube channel, and I'm going to link her YouTube channel in the description box for you guys. And these earrings are beautiful, and I've had these for a very long time and they still last and they still look absolutely amazing. So the look is all done. Very easy, very simple. I can go to work with this look. I can do anything with this look. So easy, so simple. And for mature skin, if you want to start wearing makeup or if you want to have some ideas, this is a really good idea to keep your makeup really, really simple. I use my Fenty Beauty 400 as an eyeshadow, and my lashes today are from Sassy Jones, New York, and I love these lashes. I thought, let me just switch it up today and do something a little bit different. Everything is going to be in the description box for you guys. And I revisited my Ruby Woo lipstick. You know, this was such a big raise many, many, many years ago, where everybody was raving about this lipstick from Rihanna at the time. I think this was her first collaboration with MAC, if I'm not mistaken. But I love this lipstick. It is so pure and red and gorgeous. And of course, this is Fun LipLiner Fun Becca. Everything is going to be in the description box for you guys, and I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for spending this little time with me today. I do appreciate it. And of course, my name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.